Welcome to the IT Source YouTube channel. There's been a lot of noise lately around one specific Windows feature, which some users may already have enabled on their Windows system. That feature is Windows Recall. Windows Recall uses the Windows Copilot runtime to help you find anything you've seen on your PC. It does this by taking continuous snapshots of your screen and stores them locally. It is able to do this by using the User Activity API, which is what allows apps to provide deep links, enabling you to pick up where you left off. Although Microsoft promises that your data is safe, and the data that Recall collects is only viewable by you, I would still raise the question, why do we need this feature at all? In addition, Microsoft say any of the data that is captured will be stored locally and encrypted, and doesn't upload the data to the cloud, and doesn't sell any of its data to third parties. I, for one, will still be making sure that this feature is disabled after every Windows update. Microsoft insists that this feature is opt-in, meaning it won't be enabled unless you enable it. If you're like me, I won't be taking Microsoft's word for it. To check if Windows Recall is enabled on your system, open up a command prompt as an administrator, and then type the following command, like so. I'll make sure these commands are in the video description to make things easier for you. And as you can see here, it's got the feature name, recall, and the state of it is disabled. If yours is saying enabled and you want to disable it, then all you need to do is run this next command. And again, I'll leave it in the video description if it wants to paste. There we go. Yeah, so if on your device it says enabled, just run that command to disable it, and you'll need to restart your PC for the changes to be applied, and then just run the check command again to make sure it's disabled. It's better to be safe than sorry. In most cases it will be disabled, but on the off chance it isn't, just run those commands. It's worth noting that in the future Microsoft may change their opt-in stance and enable this feature in future updates. Just something to keep your eyes on. As always, thanks for watching, and let me know your opinion on Windows Recall in the comments below. See you on the next one.